Yo, what's going on? My name is Chase. You're now tuning in to Chase Way YouTube channel, which showcases my life, the things I'm passionate about, what Arkansas has to offer. If you haven't already, make sure you click that subscribe button so you can be a part of the driver squad. Make sure you like this video, because if you didn't know, once you like this video, you'll let everybody know on YouTube that this channel is valuable. Share this video with your friends and family members. Let them know that Chase Way is popping. Let's get into today's video.
Nah, for real. I pull up no star for real. I hop in the whip and take off, you know I'm on my
Driver Squad, what's going on? Chase Way back with another video. If you don't know by now, let me just say this. If you tried to go for off-white, it's hard to go for it. If you wear those sneakers, it's a 1 in a million shot. It's pretty hard to go for. And sometimes when you be going for things on sneakers, you might think you got it and you don't got it. But sometimes when you win big. As you can tell by the thumbnail, it's time for an unboxing, and it's time to show y'all what the unboxing is. Of course, you have the most famous Nike box with the Nike sticker on it. So let me go on and unrip this. You put that on the personal page or Vacant Places? I would say I wanted to take pictures for Vacant Places. Hold on.
I didn't post it.
Okay, good. Yes. I was gonna post a picture like that on Vacant Places, but I was gonna put both of them.
Hey, I'll use that corner right there.
Yeah, I was gonna have it off the rail. I got my business partner in the back there. If he can hit on Nike sneakers out, it would be a blessing. But he keep catching L's. As y'all can tell just by opening the box. You know it's official. I gotta blur that out. And y'all can't be knowing my address like this. Alright, here we go. We got the good old, oh man, come on Nike. What y'all doing? Come on Nike.
Maybe poking my finger through it.
So as y'all can tell, y'all can even see the reflection. Y'all see what's going on. You see that review back there? Matter of fact, this can be my thumbnail. Oh, I like that shot. All right, once you open it up, you get the off-white papering. You take that off. You take that off. You take that off. And you get these. Woo! The off-white smell. You got that orange tag. Put these down. I wanted these in a size 10, men's 10. I definitely wanted to start going for different shoe sizes. I really wanted these, but we got an event coming up. I'm still not quite sure what I want to do. This color pops so well. This Volt green, what is it? Let's read what it says on the box. It says black, white, green stripe. So yeah, these are the green stripe off-white. I don't know why I just didn't put that 2 to 2 together, but size 10.
Were they regional? Because there's 3 different colors.
I believe the other 2 colorways just haven't came out yet. And this was the first colorway to drop. I'm waiting for that to focus so y'all can look at the tag.
Because there's the blue and gum pairs. What's the other color?
The white and blue, and then the yellow and something else. Or it might be brown. But these are nice. I kind of wanted to go for a size 8, but I went with a size 10. You got the fat tongue right here. You got the off-white touches. You still got the off-white branding inside. You still have this. So if any one of y'all need to check y'all pairs, this is how it comes. It's upside down like Noah said. Here we go. I don't really know about the, yeah, that yellow grass. Ooh, they did different with the orange tag.
It's the same way as the track ones. Those.
I didn't feel that one.
Yeah, it was that.
You got the Nike off. It's not glued all the way down. That's nice. Look how it's constructed. This is nice. All right, let me pass it to my partner so he can check those out. Let me get the other thing. I can't be. Oh, it comes with green laces. It's the only other laces it come with.
I like the Nike off instead of the Nike Air.
Okay, he looking at details.
I don't like them though.
Hey man.
These things are like
Insider, you got the size 10. Got this on the insole. Just like Noah pointed out, you got Nike off instead of Nike Air. But on the back, you do get Nike Air though. These are real nice. It's more of a bulky sneaker.
These are a weather boot.
Oh, he hating. His style changing, so he.
I wouldn't have liked these 2 years ago.
Oh man, I ain't trying to hear that. These are real nice. I was very curious to see how would these look once I held these in hand one day, and just it kind of gives you like a steel toe vibe. Because if you look at the toe, it's very bulky.
I mean,
but when you grab it and it has constructed, it's very rubbery. So that's why he said that. This definitely a shoe that if it rains, put these on. But it also have an inner mesh, as you can tell. It has an inner mesh right there, but and as you just look.
You still got the rubber around, so.
Yeah, but I mean, even when rain comes, you got mesh.
Hard, yeah, but if it just rains, you're gonna be okay.
Yeah, don't step on no puddle. Any wise man wouldn't step on no puddle. Yeah, the insole is just like the paper. So that's what you get all around in the insole. And just like the paper, you have that. Now it's time to take some shots. And I'll see y'all in another video. So y'all gonna have 3 minutes of footage. So y'all have a great day. I'll see y'all in another video. Chase Way is out. Peace.